This is a short video of an accident that occurred on US 31 northbound between Apple and Marquette here in Muskegon County. The video was taken by another record driver using his cell phone.
It's over.
The initial driver had responded to the accident. He had been advised that it was a box truck that had rolled over onto its side. When he arrived, he realized that he would be able to right it back up using a second truck and not having to call out our semi-tow truck. These two trucks that had responded, both are equipped with double winches, 10,000-pound cables along with pulleys. They were able to manipulate the truck back onto its wheels, and then it was towed from the scene. The driver was not hurt.